Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 7th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So not really a whole lot has happened on the dollar pairs, really, to be honest. We did have a little bit of a tricky move today because it definitely did go up and it definitely did break structure at a Fibonacci level. So that definitely was a little bit of a tricky situation, but now in hindsight we can see that it probably still is all one big correction. I still think it is a wave A. I still think it is likely to be a wave B. I would now be looking for a bounce at the 78% Fibonacci level, another break of structure up. This time I think if it does break structure at the Fib level, the 78%, then it would be the end of a correction. Now I would still have to see that nice double bottom 345 shape with the break of structure to go long, because otherwise there is a chance that it could go down, break this structure, and just possibly just keep on trending down. So definitely wait for confirmation, wait for that 345 shape with the break of structure at a Fibonacci level for your next long. Otherwise, continue to go short on shorter time frames. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.